Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Bloxstrap multiple accounts. So once you go to GitHub, you're going to see a section here which says Bloxstrap Multi-Instance Integration, and then you're going to see a bunch of files here. You're going to see the install.bat file, the license file, multi-instance ps1 file, readme.md file, and then the uninstalled dope file. So we're going to scroll down a bit and it says their Bloxstrap multi-instance integration unleash the power of multiple instance with this fantastic integration for Bloxstrap after a recent update that removed the ability to use multiple instances of Roblox. This integration brings back that functionality. So we're going to scroll out again. This is the most important part of the installation part. So it says here, number one, grab the latest source code. So you're going to get the code by clicking on the link here. Now it says here, number two, unzip the downloaded archive and place the folder anywhere you like, preferably without spaces in the final path. So you're going to place the file or folder in some place where the destination path does not have way too many spaces because that could cause errors. And then number three says run the install.bat file to begin the installation process. So we referred to that before. So we're going to go back to the top here and it says install bat. So once you have downloaded everything, here you are going to install this. You're going to click on this install the bat file. Then if you want to download it, you're going to click on there and then you're going to click on download zip, and there you go. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.